Today we're going to go take a look at a Chinese MPV. It's an electric vehicle, and we're taking a look on the outside. So you saw the front there, it looks pretty cool. The rear looks like a Japanese vehicle, and it's got something in Chinese down here. I'm not sure what that says, but on this side it says what? Megatron, is that you? Anyway, so let's go back to have a look at the driver's side. The driver's side is on the left hand side in China, which is the wrong side. And let's have a look. Oh, wait, there it's got two large LCD screens, one for the driver, one for the passenger. Amazing. And then it's got the standard storage in the middle for your hanky-panky stuff, I suppose. Two cup holders, storage area, and wireless charging spots for two phones. Here we've got a rear view camera mirror, so you can see everything in clear picture. Let's see the steering wheel controls. On the left hand side, it's don't know what the hell it says there, but you've got 20% charging. And on the right hand side, you can see the date, time, temperature, and gear you're in. And now we're going to get out the front of the vehicle and check out the rear. Here you just need to press a button and it opens the door automatically. Box standard nowadays, I suppose, for an MPV. Let's get in these lovely comfortable chairs. Here you have central digital control for temperature and fan, and as well as other features. Now let's take a look at these seats. They're all leather seats. There's two in the middle and there's three at the back. And then you got a pan sunroof for the rear passengers. And what the hell? You've got a drop-down LCD screen for the rear passengers with so many options in it. Let's take a closer look. So the first big option there is you can click on that and you can learn about the vehicle itself. Let's click on this one here. It tells you what you can do in the rear. You can lie down or something else. You can have a happy birthday party. You could turn the seats around. So the chairs actually swivel. If you want to see that, give me a follow, subscribe, so I can do that and show you another time. Now, taking a look at how many screens there are from this point of view is bloody great. You've got a button here to open the rear door, and then you've got a button on the side pillar to close it. I think that's pretty standard, nothing new about that, but it's nice to have. And then you've got these electronic buttons to move your seat forward, back, and just position the seat how you feel fit. But on this side, you've got temperature to heat the seats, cooling the seats, massage setting, and then you've got a button to lie down, and the other button, I have no idea what that is. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. Now, if you like this first video of a Chinese EV, in particular this MPV, drop a follow and like, share, subscribe, all that palaver, and then I've got loads more coming soon.